part of our professional education.
Bullpen.
For example, in educational
Lupus.
psychology, example na kanang may teach na pag namang answer sa tama, mga bata, that is an example of reward system employed in making you more participative with the learning process. At the same time, para po na ma-embed sa inyong mind ba kung sa mga tamang answer because you have already associated what is right with what is pleasurable. So, that's an example of how educational psychology is practiced inside the classroom. Another, part sa educational psychology na gina-profile doon ang mga bata, mga personality sa mga bata. Like, may mga bata na attention seeker. Ang hindi mo disagree. Ano si pa sa teacher? Dapat mga bata nga rebellious, kasi kumita ko, kada bang kuan ba, antagonistic o makipaglaban. Nakoy mga bata nga kada yung hostile, gusto nila na sumbagay ganito, no? So all of this fall under educational psychology, okay? And teachers, ideally, are equipped, how to, how to address these kinds of students. Okay? But as they say, lahi lang yung basa in reality.
Tama.
Okay, what one? If you want to be a teacher, you will delve with these branches.
Yeah. So, continue. Last na lang isa. Then, personality, psychologist, Candy Reed, Mr. Tigaman. Read Raman.
Personality psychology deals with personality assessment using IQ tests commonly applied in interviews to judge performance.
When we say personal psychology,
Notong transfer guys.
daraan dayon ang pag-isa sa example. So, the example here is kanang pag mag-apply gani ka o sa company, mag-apply ka sa company, syempre mag-interview man jud na. So pangitaan kag pangitaan kag IQ. IQ means emotional intelligence. IQ? Ay, EQ din. EQ.
Di ba pag mga
Sa IQ? Oh, IQ.
Construction
Then,
na
EQ. Yeah, sir.
When you are in college, actually when you are in fourth year college and you are now at the stage of having a practicum, in fact, you would need personality psychology. In what way? I-profile man mo na, okay, mag-undergo mo mga various tests to check your personality, kung saan yung neuroticism, how well do you cope with challenges. Another is, kanang kuan ba? Kanang intelligence, kada ba may mga abstract reasoning mo na mga pattern, and then what's the next pattern in the series? So, kani sila, encounter nyo sila pagka-end na sa inyong kanang almost at the end na sa inyong college life, ano mga practical mga college. Kung para sa IQ, wala ko para sa IQ, no? In fact, honestly speaking, wala ko ka-take yun ko ka ng valid yun na instrument to check IQ. Pero nag-check na ko sa internet, ako natanaw ko kay 119 na siguro. Ako na kano. Intelligence quotient is a measure. Intelligence quotient. It is a measurement of how intelligent you are.
Bayot.
I don't know the equation. Probably
Si Hal Ryan. Si Baton.
It's basically
Si Hal.
a measurement of how smart you are.
Ano ba sa mga zoom in abno si Baton?
Ang normal IQ, more na lang sila sa mga 100 to 120. In fact, nasa bracketing ata ka ng term na IQ sa IQ. Paki-double check mo na ano sa bracketing ka na IQ. Pero ba na
So, the information about the personality psychology, it is how the person behavior o sa iyang mga aktibidad.
last edition. It's a nakatake ng MBTI, Myers-Briggs, ano ba ito? Personality type, 16 personality types. It's a nakatake. Kasa ka ba? Nakatake ka?
INTP to sir.
Gusto rin mo nagdagay na. Kasi yung personality type.
INTP to sir.
INTP ka? Funny nga, hindi ko no? The point is this, no? Kada Myers Briggs na personality profiling, medyo dili ka na sila reliable. Wala siya all to slides, no? But for sometimes it gained some usage in the, you know, in hiring
creative.
people, but still,
Wala.
but
Creative
many
set.
scientists question its validity.
Funny
You
daw
can
to niya.
use it for fun. It takes internet MBTI personality profile. As
Funny
a
din
web
siya.
going to INTP,
Gago ka tawa na yun.
the architect na stereotype, nga typology.
Siya na dagway.
Okay?
Hey.
MBTI, check sa internet. Okay ka na yun.
Sir.
But,
Kumana.
So, ever, don't do that.
Personal psychology.
Hindi, napara ko eh.
May question.
Dry raw.
Wala.
Dede yun daw.
wala ba question?
Arouse daw. Ikaw lang question, sir. Bakit
Okay,
naman?
wala na question. It's almost time. So, para tweet ko ano, sa dapat mo rin,
Ito na yung charger.
Init ka na.
wala mo announce.
Kaya mo ba? Guys, ikaw na si Nico ang cellphone. Kokin.
Wala na.
Baby, what you wishing for? Baby, what you wishing more? Gago. Sura. Mak. Gago. Sorry. Mak. Gago. Pogi oh. Grabe right? Isuya sa Chinese eh.
Ang ilang mga videos para gano'n yung tagnan, pati ang PowerPoint, no?
Thunder.
Isend siya as drive link.
Badikam, ano
When you
yun?
send it through the
Thunder
messenger,
Talks,
what
Thunder
happens
Talks.
is it becomes pixelated. The quality is reduced. Hence, you have to upload it as drive link.
Si ano guys, si Thundercock.
Click naman na sa panel, tanawin.
Sino na gatong yun? Badikam. Si ano, Badikam.
Again,
Badikam, ano yan?
Kato mga groups din na mag-report please send your quizzes to me. Okay, multiple choice questions.
Dito ka mag-base, sir.
Okay, mag-1 yung Google Form and 2 mag-page. Para ma-reach ang guidance ko.
Ban.
Ha? Sa private yes? Pwede ka galing na ang PowerPoint sa likod. Then mag-gamay mo lang.
Peace.
Ako,